y'all, welcome back. So I'm gonna just jump right into it. I've already cut up my homemade fries, as you can see, and I cut these kind of big. It's kind of funny. When I was little, my uncle, he used to make french fries, homemade french fries, and he would season them just like I'm doing right now, and he would cut them kind of thick. And as you'll see in a minute, I'm going to be using flour. What he would do is add, he would add more flour than I did, but he would add flour to them, and they would be so good. I remember I always used to ask him, Uncle, can you fry some french fries? And he always would do it. But I kind of got this from him. If you haven't tried it this way, it is really good. I think you should try it, and I believe you will really like it as well. So that's all I'm doing right here, is just adding the flour to my fries. And as you see, all I'm doing is making sure that majority of the fries are covered in the flour. Alright, so these are our fries. As you can see the flour on them. You can actually use more flour. I just did it this way. My uncle did use more, but hey, it's alright. So this is my ground beef. I have already put salt and pepper in it. I will be using sliced Swiss cheese as well as American sliced cheese. And this will go in the inside of the burgers. Y'all, if you have not done stuffed burgers, whether it's with onion inside, jalapenos, whatever, if you have not tried that, then you definitely are missing out. I did these some years ago. I think I put them on the grill or in the oven the first time, and I did not use sliced cheese the very first time I did it. I used shredded cheese, which I would recommend because it's way better. So if you can, use the shredded cheese when you're doing this. And all you do is just flatten it out like you would a regular patty. I actually could have used less meat doing this, so I would recommend using less meat so they won't be as big or thick. That's if you don't want them to be big or thick. But all you do is smash them like regular patties. So that's what I'm gonna do first, and then I'm gonna go back and add the cheese.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets.
And y'all just realized that I had my recipe book open. But it's only the cheesecake recipe, not nothing major. So alright, so I'm done with my patties, and I'm just going to be adding in the cheese. And then what you're going to see next is just me adding another patty on top and just smushing in around the corners to hold the cheese in.
Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we
And the reason I say the shredded cheese I would recommend is that you can kind of just stack it just right in the middle of it, so that you won't have to worry about it spilling out while you're cooking it, or you don't have to worry about really making sure your outer is locked in, smashed in. So that's one thing that I did realize from me using the shredded cheese compared to this sliced cheese. And y'all, for people, the ones of y'all who really like to cook or really like to bake, one thing I have learned throughout the years, if you are scared to try different stuff, or if you're scared to mess up stuff, you'll never learn how to do your own recipes. You'll never learn how to perfect something if you're afraid to try it, if you're afraid to mess up different things like that. So I mean, it just takes it, especially with baking. That's just one thing that I definitely learned. You just have to go for it and just experiment with certain stuff. And I was just showing y'all that I ran out of patties, so I'm just gonna make that a single one. And y'all, don't y'all laugh at my little potato masher, okay? Walmart seems to not have anything these days. They did not have a meat masher, so that's the best thing I could I could find that I could use to mash down these patties with. And what I do, I normally let them cook maybe like 8 minutes, and then I'll flip it over, let it cook another 8 minutes, because you don't want to just let these sit for a long time on one side. And y'all, all I did was add a little pepper on the top of these. So our grease is ready for these potatoes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put these in a skillet and let these babies fry. And y'all, sorry about my finger in the way. All right, y'all, so they done. Don't knock this until you done tried it. They are delicious, I promise you, especially with ranch dressing. So what I decided to do was just undo the other doubled ones because they were just too big for me. Of course my husband likes it that way, but I just decided to do 3 single patties instead, along with the other 2 that was doubled. Oh y'all, this right here is so good. It came from Walmart. I don't know if y'all have tried it, but they are really, really good, especially when you put it in the freezer and kind of let it get a little ice to it. They're good, so I definitely think you should try that. All right, so Walmart again, they did not have any head lettuce, so that's the best I could do as far as lettuce. I'll be using Miracle Whip, mustard, and ketchup. And as you all know, I always fix my husband's plate first. So that's what I'm about to do now. Y'all, who else only eats Miracle Whip? My husband will not eat any other type of Miracle, like he don't eat mayo, the one with the egg in it. Like he can tell when it's not Miracle Whip. I don't know how, but he can. Like I can eat any type of mayo, but him, it has to be Miracle Whip. So if y'all are like that too, y'all let me know. That good old lettuce. Yeah, I know I got to cut the onion up. And y'all, this is really quick and simple too. Like, you don't really feel like cooking a big meal. You done cook the big meal like 4 days out of a week. On like a Friday or Monday, Tuesday, whatever day. Like, this is something really, really simple to do. Well, you know, simple and quick. And those burgers, ooh, they were so juicy and so good. It tastes just like a burger that you would order like from a burger joint. It tastes so good. So, y'all, I know this looks so good to y'all because it looked so good to me and it was delicious. My husband, he eats ketchup on his burgers, so he has ketchup, mayo, well, Miracle Whip and mustard with his fries, and he eats ketchup with his fries. So I gave him a dab of ketchup. And I never show my plate, so I decided to do so today. I put Miracle Whip and mustard on mine. Y'all know I did the onion. And I I like eating ranch with my fries. It tastes so good, y'all. Try ranch with your fries if you've never did that before. It's delicious. So yeah, that's it, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you all in the next video.